Welcome to the Stay4U B&B Earnings Potential Calculator. This tool is designed to help you estimate the potential revenue and profits of running a bed and breakfast B&B based on several key inputs. Let's go through each section so you can make the most of this powerful calculator. 1. Number of rooms. This is the total number of rooms available for guests in your B&B. This number helps determine your maximum capacity and revenue potential. Enter the number of guest rooms you plan to offer. The more rooms, the greater your potential revenue, assuming occupancy remains consistent. 2. Average daily rate, ADR. The average daily rate, or ADR, is the average price you expect to charge per night for each room. Consider factors such as local competition, your property's amenities, and seasonal demand when setting this rate. The ADR will directly impact your revenue calculation. 3. Expected occupancy rate. This is the percentage of time you expect your rooms to be occupied. A typical rate might be between 60% and 80%, depending on the location and season. For example, if you expect rooms to be occupied 75% of the time, enter 75. Higher occupancy rates generally mean higher revenue. 4. Annual costs. Annual costs are divided into several categories. These represent the total yearly expenses required to operate your B&B. Breaking these down into fixed, variable, labor, marketing, and food costs helps refine your profit projection. A. Fixed annual costs. These are predictable, ongoing expenses that stay the same regardless of occupancy. Examples include property insurance, property taxes, and regular maintenance. Enter your estimated fixed costs for the year. At this point, I would like to introduce my colleague Victoria.
Thank you, Lily. Continuing with the annual costs, let's cover the following. Starting with variable costs, which fluctuate depending on occupancy levels. Common variable costs include utilities, cleaning supplies, and laundry services. The more guests you host, the higher these costs will be. Estimate these costs based on your occupancy rate. Next, we can look at labor costs, which covers wages or salaries for staff who help run the B&B, such as housekeeping, reception, and maintenance personnel. Even if you're managing the property yourself, consider assigning a value to your own time. Continuing, let's look at marketing costs. This includes expenses related to promoting your B&B, such as online ads, social media, and listing fees on booking sites. Enter what you plan to spend annually on these promotional efforts. And finally, under the annual costs breakdown, let's look at food costs, which cover the expenses for breakfast or any other meals provided to guests. Estimate how much it will cost you per guest, then multiply it by your expected number of guests per year to get an annual figure. Our next part covers occupied nights. This is the total number of nights your rooms are occupied throughout the year. It's calculated by multiplying the occupancy rate by the number of available room nights, number of rooms x 365 days. This number will help determine the total revenue and variable costs more accurately. Looking at annual revenue, this is the total income you expect to generate from room bookings. It's calculated as number of rooms, x average daily rate, x occupied nights. This gives you a rough estimate of potential revenue based on the number of rooms, rate, and occupancy. For your total annual costs, combine all your fixed, variable, labor, marketing, and food costs. This is your complete annual expense projection. It's critical to account for all cost factors, as these will directly impact your net profit. For the summing up, I'd like to pass you back to Lily.
Finally, let's cover the net profit, which is your annual revenue minus the total annual costs. It shows you how much profit you could expect after covering all expenses. Net profit, annual revenue, total annual costs. This result is a key indicator of your B&B's financial health. If net profit is positive, your business is profitable. If not, you may need to adjust pricing, occupancy, or costs to improve profitability. By entering realistic values into each section, you can gain a clear picture of your B&B's earnings potential. This calculator allows you to experiment with different rates, occupancy, and cost structures, helping you make data-driven decisions for a successful B&B business. In conclusion, this app will help you to understand some of the cost involved in setting up a bed and breakfast business. But as in all business, other costs will appear as you move forward in your new venture. To stay updated on all our latest videos, make sure to subscribe so you're notified as soon as new content is available. For additional information or specific inquiries, feel free to reach out to us directly to services@stayforyou.com. We're here to help with all your hospitality property needs.